Hi, this is Neha. Today I'll tell you how to find duplicate values in Excel from long data charts using simple formula. All this while, we used to select the two columns of data, right-click on them, search for duplicate and select the duplicate value. This method is only convenient when you want to highlight the duplicates. It doesn't give you complete control in filtering out the duplicates. But the good news is, you can detect the duplicates, filter out the data, and get a compilation list of the duplicate values. Simply type the formula to get the count or the number of duplications for each column within the selected data range. Now, you can use this formula to your advantage by using a function of Excel called filter. Simply type filter before the formula and select the list of data from where you want to find the duplicates. Once you press enter, the magic happens and you get a list of duplicate values exactly how you wanted. So use this trick and optimize your workflow. Share this video with your colleagues and friends and stay tuned to My Tasker channel for more videos like this.